Okay, the time for the Curtis Jenny in 1/48 scale with this absolutely wonderful everything for the classic replica series with this nice Lego, the Curtis Jenny. Not Johnny, it's Jenny. Lindberg, leader in hobbies. That's a biplane for training for the WW1 or World War I. It's I really love this old or vintage looking cover. I haven't seen it like Pyro or previous model kits. Please, any viewer, give me some information. I search it before reviewing this. Modelo plástico para armar. It is written in Spanish. It's a model kit 1/48 scale from Lindberg. I love the background. The aircraft is without the rigging system or the rigging wires or the bracing wires. It needs a lot of turnbuckles. It's got around 262 turnbuckles inside and outside, so I will need a lot of custom gauge for electric or acoustic guitar string. I will show you later. This one is still sealed. I mean, it's opened, and I reinforced the inner box with a strong cardboard because the box is so soft. The bag is still sealed. I won't review this. I will review another one I have. The display stand originally from Lindberg, still attached the whole parts. The building instructions, so old, with the original stickers or dry transfer. So I put these parts again in their original box. So the one is gonna be a review is this one. Yes, I have two, but this is already opened. So this is for the review. Soft box. Maybe I reinforced this one as well. No, this is not reinforced. Okay, with the ground crew for towing the aircraft by using the tail, this tail brake. I think it works like a brake. Well, the side of the box, Lindberg Classic Replica Series, the same cover, Lindberg in Spanish, everything with instructions or manual in Spanish. No paint, no glue. You have to buy it separately. The proof of the Lindberg authorization to Venezuela. Okay, this side is for giving the information about the number kit or the kit number. 534 or 534 is the original code, and the catalog printed on this side. The Curtis Jenny I'm going to review right now, the British SE5 for the next review, Stearman PT-17, and the Curtis Goshawk I already reviewed. Please check it on my YouTube contents. Remember the King Kong movie? Well, I will open it and describe the contents. Building instructions. Curiously, two sets of the stickers or dry transfers. As you see, that's a plus for me. I will choose the best one. I will keep on the original paper the ones with red circle not centered. This one is much better. These two and maybe these other two, or maybe this one. The erased blue zones, I think I won't use them. Okay, the numbers, perfect. Building instructions, like the old model kits. That's, I think this is the main cover, showing how it looks like mounted on the display stand, how it looks like when you see it underneath or under carriage. Kit number 534. Please use tester paints and cement. Let's give you some additional information. 65 pieces plus stickers. No rigging wires added on this originally model kit. So, as I explained you, this model needs a lot of rigging system, rigging wires. So that's the reason why I have a lot of replacement for the rigging system. So I'm not desperate for that. The exploded view, or everything is showing, is graphically explained in just one step. So as you see, we have to be so careful and check everything. It should be so present. So I counted as 65 pieces. The upper wing is so long. Well, everything is with two pilots, because this is two-seat biplane for training. The fuselage has the struts as always, the brake, or the kind of tail wheel, but it's not with a wheel. This kind of a tail dragger. The little structures, or the little struts on the upper side of the upper wing. The stabilizer struts, the vertical fin, the control for the moving, if you want to make it moving it, the ailerons, display stand, the nice engine, the propeller with two blades, everything in exploded view, and the detail about the ground crew towing it in this rear part of the aircraft. Okay, it is showing some part of the rigging system for manipulating the ailerons. Well, I need to search it on the internet. I saw a lot of them. Well, these are the explanation in Spanish for every step, for every process about the building it. So that's about the building instructions. I told you already about the quality of this water they are not water stickers, they are not decals, they are dry transfers like the other ones I explained you in my other videos. White background with it, I think they are in nice condition, so I won't have any trouble about that. And let's check the parts. This plastic is made with PVC material. Let's get everything out from its original plastic bag. It is already opened because of the reviewing process. Well, get everything out for the people who really want to know what's going on. Right, starting with the the so simple, so smooth fuselage have. Nothing, no big deal, but some raised details, some raised panel lines, but so smooth. So I think it could be, it should be so nice and really easy to build model. But it's so unique model to me. I have to make some holes for the, as I told you, turnbuckles. Well, it's so perfect for that. The display stand, I know, maybe you know, it is gonna be mounted if you wanted to show it flying or on the ground, as the cover is suggesting. I'm going to take them out. This part should be placed, this hole, this part is gonna be placed just right here, and no pin on the kit. I will add a pin in order to insert the aircraft through this hole or display stand hole. Okay, that's it about it. It's got, let's check the stabilizer with a little bit flash. I really love this shape. It's so nice and distinguished stabilizer for the Curtiss Jenny. The lower wings with these curved surfaces, so nice, in just one solid mold. No halves for the lower wings, no halves for the upper wing. Okay, it is completely just one piece, entire piece. These tabs are for placing the struts, the wing struts. Okay, let's check more parts. The pilot, it should be it should be two pilots, but I have just one. I need to find the other one. Maybe I have a lot of pilots stored in my drawers. I will look for them. Let's check the cockpit glass. The number one and number two. Okay. The one pilot seat, the other maybe the instructor seat or the student for the radiator, the front of the engine. What else? The stick for the pilot, some exhaust pipes for the engine, the engine cowl, I mean the upper engine cowl. What else? Engine, the part of the engines. This is the cockpit floor. The propeller, two blades. This is the piece for towing the aircraft. Let's check more stick for the student pilot. The wheels, this curved part is for the strut underneath the lower wing. Okay, the wheels for the aircraft, I think this one is for the tow little troll, and some struts. what else we have? This is the ground crew. The name of the aircraft to be fixed on the display stand base, it says Curtis Jenny JN-40 in raised name letters, I think. This part, this kind of boomerang parts, is for the ailerons and elevators controllers. Okay, these one are for the stabilizers and these one are for the upper wing. The struts, this is the shaft for the propeller, so the propeller will spin. So no problem about it. So that's enough for this Curtis Jenny review. Okay, it's a wonderful aircraft. Okay, this is the curved strut under the lower wing. I've been referring to this part. This curved part is just like these ones. So nice for the sprue. Right, thank you so very much for watching this video. So let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.